I'm back with some human hair drip from a company that we worked with a long time ago, but I see their ads all the time, and that's boom, HerGivenHair. Fancy. Okay, hard box, all that good jazz. I don't remember what's in here, but if you look in that description box, I put all the details that you need to know about this wig. Like I said, it was a long time ago that we worked with them, y'all. So when they reached out to me and asked me, could they send me some stuff? I said, yes. This is the fancy hair, okay? In the box, they sent a silk sack. They sent an instruction book. They sent this chick off of TV. She is so gorgeous to me. I don't know her name, okay? And they sent the wig. All right, y'all. They put a little card in there with all the details. This wig is a 13 by 1. It says it's a coily texture. They said 3C to 4A, and it's a cap size small. Y'all, this thing kind of, if I'm not my normal self and I'm kind of whispering, it's because I'm kind of nervous because I'm looking at this hair. Okay, it looks very natural. All right, so what this means is, it says it's a 13 by 1. So you get 13 inches of lace going across. I'm assuming, y'all, I don't know. They go to Cap Construction. You get a lace part and you get that lace going across. And if you look, those knots have already been bleached and all that fancy stuff, right? You also get a comb over here to the right. You get a comb to the left. And you get a comb in the back, and you get this adjustable strap that's gonna make it lay so flush to your head. All right, y'all. I'm gonna plop it on my head before I cut the lace off. Okay, and y'all, this is why I said the fancy people. Y'all, look how natural that looks. Okay, of course, I'm gonna have to pick this out. I'm gonna have to wet it and all this stuff. But I knew before I even put this head on my head that this wig would be equivalent to if I grew out my own natural hair. It looks like HerGivenHair. Let's cut off this lace and I'm gonna wet it. And then I'm gonna come back with my hair sauce and she'll take care the most natural wig that I've probably ever reviewed. I really do feel like this is HerGivenHair. as if this was growing out of my scalp. Y'all, this is so pretty to me. So in my head, if I let my hair grow out, but y'all know I cut my hair, I need to cut it now, but I shave my hair probably once a month. I really should do it every 2 months, but once again, I'm lazy. But in my head, if I grew my hair out, this would be what I would dream of having. Y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. I honestly think this wig is supposed to be like straight up and down the middle, but y'all know I love a little edge. And that is what this wig is giving. There's that texture up close again. Y'all, this is so pretty. I sprayed it with water just to try to relax it a little bit, because I am giving dark skin Aunt Viv from Fresh Prince. That's what I feel like I'm giving, and I think that it is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like I'm supposed to have on that leotard doing this when she was dancing, right? Can I recommend this hair? 1050%. Like I said, I always see their ads pop up, and I always see, like, you know, the girls giving this hair. So I've always been kind of, ooh, that looks like, you know, the wig slayer. But y'all know that I am a complete beginner. I really don't know how to comb hair. And if I was able to achieve this wig looking, in my opinion, this good, if you are a wig slayer, imagine what you can do with this doggone wig. I absolutely love it. I 1000% recommend it. Like I always say, maybe you, ooh, Lord, I made a mistake. My phone going dead. Maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Viv. Maybe it's your Uncle Phil. Whichever one. Maybe it's your cousin Chris. Too far? Probably. Whichever one, if you send them my way, don't send them my hair, because I'm bald, but you wouldn't know it from this wig. Send them my way, and me and HerGivenHair will get them right, y'all. 1000% recommend this one. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.